Welcome to this tutorial on using the bump feature in 3M Pattern Editor. This amazing tool helps you define edges without any proportional distortion using our automatic edge detection algorithm to nudge patterns with precision for seamless customization. To get started, ensure you have a vehicle pattern loaded in the Pattern Editor. The bump feature becomes available in the Quick Action toolbar on the right-hand side. If you encounter a pattern that is grouped, ensure it is ungrouped before proceeding. Click the Bump tool to activate it. You'll notice the Bump tool automatically identifies edges, contours, and complex shapes, rendering directional arrows at key points, helping you visualize the direction and alignment. Here, you'll see options to enter your desired bump amount, the total sum of your bump increments, and customizable arrow thresholds that can be adjusted by using the slider, because not all pattern geometries are created equal. You can always click the reset button to revert back to defaults. Let's begin by entering your desired bump amount. Next, let's explore bump controls. Click on an arrow to shift the pattern horizontally or vertically. The bump tool supports high-resolution micro adjustments for accurate positioning and does not alter or distort its original proportions. And as you make adjustments, the Pattern Editor provides a real-time preview of the changes, ensuring your pattern aligns perfectly with the edges and contours. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Apply to save the changes. Your pattern is now ready for cutting. And that's how you use the bump feature in 3M Pattern Editor. For more tips and tutorials, visit our tutorials page in our support section. Thanks for watching.